Hi guys, today we're on Stone Blue Airlines. We're gonna be reviewing the Jada RC GTR RC car. Okay, so welcome to Stone Blue Airlines, or I asked my dad if the logo can say Torch TV because I've started making up these things on my tablet. Now let's just get to the car. Okay, so this car is made by Jada. I think that's how you say it. And I got this at Target, and that's where I got it. It's one of the more cheaper kid cars, where like you can mess around. Now, if you're gonna buy this car somewhere, it can't be here because we don't sell it here, but if you're gonna buy this car, only read half of the instructions, and this car cannot go on dirt or it cannot jump ramps. It's for like the street. The charger is already in there. It doesn't come with a charger, so that's pretty useful. Here's the problem about the charger. It's really hard to get in. This charger I give a 3-star review on. Now, this remote, it takes 2 AA batteries, and you need a screwdriver to do this, which it's not included. There's a turbo button right there. Then there's the throttle, and then there's like the thing that makes the car go left and right. Now, if you're used to like the new upboot, like the $400 RC cars, then it might take you a little while. It took me, actually I was an expert the minute I tried it, so I'm pretty good at RC cars. Don't take that as bragging, please. It takes 1 hour and 40 minutes for it to charge, and 20 minutes of run time. Now that's pretty good for an average RC car, because that says much about, they go about 30 minutes. Also, I don't really know what else to say, so let's just go outside and try it out. Again, this is the Jada RC GTR. So that was the RC car from Jada RC, or Jada, I still can't remember how to say it. But this is a very nice car. It's good for starters, and it's hard to keep on going on with words. Okay, this is a great car for starters, like I said. Bye, see you next time on either Stone Blue Airlines or Torch TV. Bye.